Another week, another bike build here at Big Bad Customs. Let me introduce you to Lynx. So this is a complete Predator body kit. I wanted to exaggerate the lines of these beast bikes, and I wanted to create something very special. So as you can see here on the tank, you have grooves and fins going all around. At the sides you have this detailing going to mimic like a shark line or scales. The fender has been created to mimic the same design as the airbox cover, following the same lines. Shark fin at the back, showing off this 300 rear tire. Going to the side, you can see VROD decals. On the sides you have fuel tank side covers. Again, similar design to airbox cover and rear fender. You have 3 grooves going. This nicely fills in the gap left from the original triangle frame from the fuel tank. Custom radiator cover with vents going all around it. Front brake discs, wave design, and blacked out caliper with black mesh. You can see axle cover. We have a headlight holder slash visor going in the same design. Front fender, again, similar lines to the body kit. To make the front end look thicker, I've installed thick fork covers, so bottom covers and top covers. Going towards the handlebar, you can see dual rubber grips with 360 bar end indicators, levers, CNC cut, custom, and matching mirrors. I wanted to introduce a new line of exhausts. This is in between very loud and very deep rumble. So this is a 2-in-2 exhaust, as you can see, with very nice design at the back for muffler. Nice big heat shields, powder coated forward controls. I wanted to black out as much as possible on that bike in the middle, so I have integrated bolt covers on every single bolt you can see on the engine casings, so there's no silver bolt going on at all in the middle. And just to finish off with a sleek look, custom swing arm pivot shaft covers. Air suspension on every single custom builds we do here at Big Bad Customs. Various bolt covers as well, just to hide these connecting bolts. As you can see, even if you're over 6 foot height, this is gonna give you the most comfort. You can't get that with a normal spring suspension. This is between comfort and rideability, as well with the other button. Let's press and hold. Another cool feature I've integrated with this air suspension for this bike is remote control air suspension controls up and down. On this side you have curved number plate holder with integrated LED light. Obviously all the bolt covers again on this side as well. One cool feature on this bike is 3-in-1 indicators. So this is actually your running light, brake light and indicators. LED headlight, pretty damn strong. White light instead of the usual yellow light. This will give you the visibility you want on a dark road. Rear end is 300 wide Metzeler 888 design. I know what everybody's thinking. Let's hear this beast run.